Hi there, welcome to Kneppy Invest. Time to finally do an A2 milk update. Haven't done or talked about A2 milk since May 2021. And that's good because the main reason I was doing A2 milk videos was because they kept releasing downgrades. And they really haven't released a downgrade since May of last year, which is a good thing. They did have investor presentation that was 1 million pages long. The market didn't like that towards the end of October. And the share price actually has been falling since then. But the downtrend we did see for A2 Milk share price, that saw the share price drop from $20 all the way down to below $6, has come to an end most likely because the shares have been trading in this sideways channel for the past about, we'll say, 6 to 8 months. So before we have a look at the updated chart, we'll just go back in time and have a look at the chart when I did the last video. When I did the last video back in May 2021, when they released downgrade number 4, I was using ComSec charts. I have transitioned to TradingView charts. Anyway, this was from a period May of 2020 all the way through to May of 2021. So if I've mentioned 2020 as last time I did the video or something like that, I am mistaken because when I actually did title this video, I did say January 2021, not January 2022. So I'm still getting mixed up with what year it is. It's just a symptom of getting old. Anyway, the share price did reach a high of just under or just on $20 back in July 2020. Then they released the full year results in August, and that was the start of the downtrend. Directors sold shares just after that in the period they can sell shares. And then 1 month after directors sold shares, we saw downgrade number 1, share price fell 11%. And that was really confirming the downtrend of A2 milk share price. And then we saw 3 more downgrades over the next 9 months. Second downgrade was in December, third downgrade was in February, and then the final downgrade, and by far the best downgrade, was towards the start or middle of May. The share price fell 13%. The reason I said that was the best downgrade was just because of the commentary of A2 milk management. They were a little bit more realistic. Previous downgrades, they're a little bit too more bullish about the future of the company and that all the issues they were going through will be solved fairly quickly. And those issues were not solved quickly. And I think they came to that realization when they released downgrade number 4. And that was really the end of the downtrend for this company. So let's have a look at the updated chart to the end of closing on the 6th of January. Yes, I do have to look at my watch to know the date. And for those who don't know, share price or the market itself was down almost 3% today, which was the worst day for the ASX since September 2020, if I remember correctly. So it's been well over 1 year since we have had a day like we have seen today on January. Have to see it again or look at my watch again, January the 6th. So let's have a look at the updated A2 milk chart. This daily chart goes back just prior to that May downgrade in 2021. Share price did actually fall over the next 6 trading days and fell to a low of about $5.10. And that is the share price low for A2 milk since this downtrend. And since then, the share price of A2 milk has been trading in this sideways channel. Anytime the share price gets to about $7.30, share price falls. And any time the share price gets to about $5.20 to $5.30, we do see a bit of a rebound in the share price. But technically, the share price still is in a downtrend. And the reason I say that is I do have 20, 50, and 100-day moving averages here. And the share price rarely gets above the 100-day moving average, which means that 100-day moving average keeps going down. And what I want to see, and I still have a position in this company, but I am looking at trading A2 milk as the sentiment in this company shifts. What I'm looking for now is the 3 moving averages to squeeze together. And that's telling me we are starting to see lower volatility. Share price is moving into a consolidation period. And usually when you see a long consolidation period, or you see those moving averages squeezing together, some might refer to that as a Bollinger squeeze. That usually means at some point in the future that volatility will increase, and that's the most likely time you'll see a breakout in the share price. And hopefully that breakout in the share price will be above $7.40, which is the top of the trading channel. And even more hopefully, a breakout in the share price will coincide with some good financial news from the company. So hopefully either that's the half yearly, a yearly update, or just a profit upgrade from that company on one random day. When that random day happens, who knows? It could be tomorrow, it could be a month from now, 6 months from now. But I will be paying close attention to how the shares of this company trades. If the share price falls below the bottom of that channel, that would be a bearish move, and the sentiment in this company would be definitely in the sort of negative range. But if we do see the share price starting to move up towards the top of the channel, and then the company releases some positive news, more than likely we'll see the share price spring above the top of that channel, and that could be the beginning of a new uptrend. So lots of possibilities with the future of A2 Milk share price. Sentiment will play a major role, but the best and the most important role of moving share price higher or lower for A2 Milk will be some either good financial news or some bad financial news. The simple fact they haven't issued a fifth downgrade is actually a good sign that the company's management knows how this company is doing, and they don't expect worse conditions in the future. So fingers crossed that the downgrades have finished. They do say downgrades comes in threes. For A2 Milk, it came in fours. And what happens after a downgrade cycle is usually an upgrade cycle. Doesn't mean that will happen for A2 Milk, but fingers are crossed, or my fingers are crossed, that this could be the beginning of an upgrade cycle for A2 Milk. When that happens, well, it may not happen, but when it happens, it could be, as I said before, it could be any day now, or it could be many months in the future. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you do have any questions about A2 Milk or any other company on the ASX, please leave your thoughts, your questions, your comments in the comment section of this video. Otherwise, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do need financial advice, make sure you seek out someone who is qualified and can speak to your own financial needs. That's it for this video. Have a good day. Bye.